I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. How to invest in real estate. Number one, you got to buy a house. Now, keep in mind, you can use that house as leverage to buy other houses, or just keep it for yourself and use equity to buy other houses. Number two, you could rent out your house and live in an apartment, or live in the house and wait for enough equity to buy another house and rent another house out. Now, number three, you can flip houses. This is where you buy a house that's run down and you could do some work to get it up to par in that neighborhood and make some serious money. Number four, you can buy a vacation property and rent it out and use it on your holidays for you and your family. Number five, you can buy a property in a foreign country where your money is worth more. This is a great investment tool. Number six, you could buy commercial real estate. This is an area where you could get longer commitments and more income flow because these tenants are more reliable most of the time. Number seven, if you really don't want the headache of all these ideas I told you, but you just want to invest in real estate with little headache, you can invest in a real estate investment trust. This is where you go in the market in a company that invests in real estate. This is a good bang for your buck, but keep caution of who you deal with. I'm Carvelli, Master of Finance. Check out my website at masteroffinance.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on Instagram, and like us on Facebook. Much love.